You are saying maybe it would be better if the game would finish 3-3, so the fans would enjoy more goals. But interesting game for me. We try to win, they try to win. We try to find a solution against them. They also were prepared well. So I believe that during the other games we will see that this point is very important, because Sharp is a good team. We are getting somewhere. So we have to take this one point with to be humble. I know the fans are always demanding in AFC. They always want to win, but we are getting somewhere.
First half, we had 1 or 2 chances, even in the second half. But honestly, I think AFC came up a bit strong in the second half. Did some good counters, very dangerous on set piece, very good corner kicks from them. And the effort together with their coach and the players, whatever they put in the second half, maybe they deserved more. So to me, I'll say that I want to appreciate for the point I had.